Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Rift Finance token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Rift Finance is a decentralized protocol on the Solana network designed to generate yield from market volatility, arbitrage mechanism and synthetic wrapped assets. The protocol focuses on building non-inflationary yield stream by capturing value created during price movements between assets instead of depending on external token emission or liquidity incentives. RIFTS introduces programmable liquidity vaults called pools, which allows users to wrap SPL-based token into collateralized synthetic representation known as R tokens rather than functioning as a traditional yield farms. RIFTS operates as an infrastructure layer that enables liquidity providers, traders, and developers to configure arbitrage-enabled vaults. Each pool maintains collateral backing that ensures that our token can be redeemed for their underlying assets, supported by automated rebalancing mechanism. Rift Finance token total supply is 999.9 million and circulating supply is also 999.9 million. Rift token. Rift token is listed on KCX, Bilexi and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.